On Monday, we hear from Domino's Pizza. Now, ever since Russell Weiner became CEO, Russell has just, I think he's brought a sense of magic back to the king of pizza. And you know what? I think he's reclaimed the title. It's going to be one of the greatest performers in the business if he does. It wouldn't surprise me one bit if the market laps up this quarter, because Russell's a really good operator. After the close, Workday reports. Now, how about this one? This software as a service company for human capital management and finance is quietly broken out of the pack. It now stands solidly with Salesforce and ServiceNow as platform companies. Workday periodically used to break, it would just blow up. I mean, meaning sometimes it failed to deliver the big upside surprise the bulls were hoping for. But that seems to have become a thing of the past. Oh, Workday's just become masterful. Now, we got a remarkable guidance hike from Royal Caribbean this week. So the question is, can Norwegian Cruise Lines follow when it reports on Tuesday? I don't think it'll be as good. But you know what? It still might be worth the trade if you come in on Monday. Now, how about Lowe's? Interesting dynamic here. Home Depot reported this weekend it was widely panned at the time, but then buyers came right back to it, as I knew they would. That's kind of like McDonald's. These two companies, they don't trade necessarily together, but, you know, they get hit, then they come right back. I mean, the Despot did say how do-it-yourself remodelers were pretty active, which is fantastic news for Lowe's, because that's more DIY. Buyers have taken the stock up with a few bucks as 52-week high in response, but you know what? I think they can take out that ceiling. We also get results from Macy's, and we need to hear what they're going to do to fend off this activist firm called Arc House, which wants board representation. They just bumped their dividend 5%, but I don't think that's going to do it. The numbers will have to do the talking. Then there's the one solar panel company that's actually making money, and that's First Solar. I like this one, even after Solar Edge blew up this week, because First Solar has been focused more on the commercial side of the industry rather than the residential side, which is much more reliant on financing. This is looking good here for a trade. Now, one of the most unfortunate aspects of earnings season is that companies have their own styles. Not everybody gets them. TJX is one of these. It tends to be non-promotional with headline numbers that don't tell the full story. Yet people trade it like it's crazy off the initial news coverage. Please listen before you act on this one. TJX often gives you great buying opportunities because the stock regularly gets hit on good results after surging at the beginning. If you don't own it already, don't buy it. Just wait for a better entry point because what's going to happen Wednesday morning is too crazy. I'll be there for you at 9, but already it'll probably be too late.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.